your boat gentle down the stream. And it's okay, merrily, life is just a dream. Money, row, your boat gentle down the stream. Oh, but merrily, life is just a dream. I'm again. As in, I don't hear what I don't talk now. I don't know waiting at the try talk. Hey, Lagos, Lagos. It don't happen. I don't wonder why they give us that name Lagos. Lagos means lagoon. Now so the thing will happen on Wednesday. Oh, hey. This na SM Naija Yawa day. And as it be now, Yawa don't gas for Obodo Lagos. Of course, I know what's happening on Wednesday now. See, everywhere. So there, everybody don't become fisherman. Carry nets, the fish everywhere. I don't want to sit down as I'm going to give the gist as what happen on Wednesday. We Lagos Road all the way from Lekki even to Yanapaja to Ikorodu, Ketu, my 12. Everybody is suffering. I beg. Before we continue, wanna call on our friends, wanna sit down, get on our data, plus power banking, so that we can begin chuchoring mouth inside this matter. This na SM Naija. My name still remain Victor Oyebode. Man, I don't go anywhere. I dey come. Today we won't dive enter the thing where don't happen since this period now. See, I can't the reason I'm saying how we go take survive, because practically now everybody go the lure inside. You know what we say? Lure, Ojasi gota, wawo, kotolo. This time around now everybody, you don't need to call everybody to come now. Everyone now done the lure inside the river where they happen for Lagos. And I can't see waiting they say it dey make me dey feel bad, because everything wey we dey think of today, if you dey for diagram, in the next minute before you say Jack Robinson, water don full anywhere. So that's why I say on Wednesday, everywhere is shut down. Even people won't come work. I don't leave my house around 4:30. That time when rain start for Ikorodu. Oh, jibi. My brother, as at 11:30, I still dey bus stop dey look for motor. And yeah, hear say, hold up, we don't come from Lekki. He reach my 12. Jesus. Wetin happen? So now if we say even Oshodio, Oworo, Lekki, even all the areas there, everywhere jam packed, house full with water. You know what you can pay me pass? One of my friends will just enter a house, we just rent an apartment. He go vigil, quiet vigil. Before he come back for the early mama, come see pot as they swim on top of water. I come say, okay, the make it. What happen? Flood don't full everywhere. Pot, fry pan, down water that they put down. I say, what happen? And I will pay you pass. The children come make that day their Akpapandodo holiday. Come see text message from every school. Please keep your children at home. There is flood in the school. Oh! I come to hear buy raincoat. Everybody come become trader. Good things about we Lagosians. I love our thinking faculty when it comes to business. We know how to turn every bad situation to great opportunity for business. Hey, look what I mean now. Now here they see people, they begin to hawk things up and down. So there for my 12. Let me tell myself, even for Lekki, if you want cross the water, if them go back you must pay 200 naira.
200 crossing. Which one are crossing? Ojo people.
Hey, business opportunity. At least if front no fit go, you go feel reverse. Na the thing wey the place do. My brother, my sister. Wednesday was a bad day, devil drinking water. Ojo buruku esugbomemo. As the Bible talk am, I dey come and never go anywhere. Tori is still plenty.
Yeah, gbèsè abeg 100 naira ló ń gbà. Láì wọ mọ́tò. Ẹ wò. We are collecting 100 naira on each person to take this passage. This is trade fair under bridge. Trade fair 100 under bridge. Pay 100 naira before you can take the passage. And we have president in this country. We have president Tinubu. Look at their faces.
So, Commissioner for Environment, Commissioner Wahab, don't give sanction. Don't say anybody wey throw dirty inside drainage, then go arrest am, put am for jail for how many months? I don't know. Walowowa, I dey talk. But people, shey na the problem be that abi our drainage wey no interlink to each other. May we call a spade a knife, or call a spade a blade, or call a spade any way una wan see am. But the real thing be say the thing wey Lagosstate sef never do, wey dem suppose do, they never do am. Na dey cause all these hula balloon wey dey happen everywhere. Now una know say dem dey build water, dem dey build houses. For some places where they suppose not build house, I no talk am una dey see am everywhere. Dem dey sandfield ocean dey build. Those things wey una dey do, una suppose know say water no dey get friend, water no get enemy. Omi o lọta water, e no get enemy. As e no get enemy, e no get friend. As na dey pursue the water, of course one day the water go find where e go take e own habitation. That's why everywhere now. Na first I just dey think say, hope say one day when I go dey sleep, I go just dey hear Oshodio. Na be say water don carry me from Ikorodu reach Oshodi, and I don't know. Oh, you know when me and my water come begin dey kiss ourselves on top, I no use the word kiss. When I did am, okay. E no go good when one day me and my mother come dey do money on top water. Please Lagosstate, but I help family. I dey talk now, e be like say I dey crack joke. Una see the video where you see one man wey dey go work, dey use canoe, dey go work. Na the kind thing wey I dey talk be that. Also one day we go sleep and all of us go see ourselves under water. We begin dey see all other fishes begin dey greet and say dey do mini mini mo. Father as a donkey die, father run. Mini mo. My fear dey fear. Some people dey tweet again, dey talk so many things dey happen for Lagos. Like that guy wey I talk say he go out rent house so before he come back water don flood. Now people when they rent house, this is the period to know the kind of house wey una go rent. So I no be say una go rent house for dry season. When rainy season come, na call the person and landlord say for refund my food. E no dey happen like that. Now this period is good to look for house. Another one is side attraction, side warning for Lagos be that. But wetin come be the solution? The solution now be say even if at all wey government dey try dey make the thing work, make we sef dey help ourselves in what sense? Make una no dey throw dirty inside water again. E dey block drainage. As e dey block drainage, of course water go find where e go pass, e go find square root. One, people wey dey build house o, una go for Lagos land use or whatever they call am, say una get the plan of where to build in a house, because as una dey build house, una dey build the house where water suppose pass. Hey, biko una help una sef, una help us. This wahala too much. My brother, my sisters.
No,
So jokingly, we don't tell ourselves what dey happen in Lagos right now about all the flood wey dey happen. So now we don talk say make government and we residents make we work together, put hands together. You know, they say one hand no fit carry load put for head. Make we join hands together. As government dey try dey through the drainage, make we too when we be citizens try not to be putting make we no dey cross the drainage. People dey build house, no dey pour things wey go block drainage. Some people wicked. For my area there go somebody wey go put barbed wire take block im gutter so that water wey dey come from the other side no go block gutter. You know say as you dey put barbed wire to guard your own gutter, the dirty wey dey come go just you go just cover the whole gutter, pour for road, and once flood come, that thing wey you dey cover go soon open. So make we help ourselves. And again this period, no even try to dey wear white up and down because rain fit catch you anywhere. Dey wear colours like brown, dark blue, deep green. Colour wey be say even if e dirty, people no go know. Dey try buy raincoat, buy rain boot, buy all this wey you know say if water drop on top, e go still retain the wetness. And no dey dress too much. And na dey go, in fact, this way what I dey do now be say I dey carry extra cloth put for bag in case I soak for one. If I reach office, I go off. Put another one. That's na the idea wey make we dey imbibe. But now wey rain don come, and I'm sure say by the time we put head together and all the strategy wey go make us dey alright for this season, and last we go dey alright. And this occurrence no go dey occur every year. And again, una wey dey build house, bikonu make una make sure say the roof of una house una use correct cement, correct roofing sheet so that the breeze no go blow everything and no go dey for open heaven. Na so e be o. So na so we dey do am for SM Naija, and I'm sure say I don give una my own 2 kobo wey go fit help us for this raining period. Make I no forget you and me, we dey inside the same shoe, but how we go make am better, it depends on my own, it depends on your own. And so we go say am for today Yawa Day. Hope you don enjoy yourself. Make una no forget to subscribe to our SM Naija Yawa Day on all social media handles, especially our YouTube page. Because make una like, share, comment. What do you think? How the flood dey happen for una own obodo area there? We want to know. You can say if you do giveaway of Rebuto for na. And so we dey do for SM Naija. As it remain na friend Victor Oyebode till I come your way again. Abeg make una stay safe. Who talk say Yawa no dey? Na here Yawa dey. Make una take care.